Today we will understand the ability to drive business growth under the benefits of supply chain collaboration. Let's begin. Supply chain teams may better understand requirements and objectives by working with internal departments such as sales, marketing, and finance. As a result, they may collaborate to innovate and accelerate the creation of new products. Efficient supply chain management may decrease costs, increase customer value, and increase competitive advantage. It comprises the efficient coordination and management of interconnected sectors, departments, systems, and organizations. All of these things help the flow of manufacturing from concept to point of sale of the product to the consumer. Supply chain management is a critical component of corporate expansion and success. According to a World Economic Forum analysis, lowering supply chain obstacles may boost global GDP up to 6 times more than eliminating all import tariffs. Supply chain executives should build their global supply networks with the labor supply shift in mind, which is projected as a result of fast expansion in developing nations and more moderate growth in industrialized economies. Organizations must be aware of the possibilities in their supply chains. They must understand supply, demand, and agility. 5 ways of effective global supply chain management which can help drive business success are: Number 1. Increased efficiency. By simplifying supply chain processes across various nations and regions, businesses may increase efficiency and production. Number 2. Expanded market reach. Businesses may expand their market reach by entering new markets, using economies of scale, and obtaining a competitive advantage over regional rivals by leveraging a robust global supply chain. Number 3. Cost savings. Companies may drastically decrease costs throughout their worldwide supply chains by improving transportation, lowering inventory costs, and using bulk purchasing power. Number 4. Improved quality control. Businesses may enhance the quality and safety of their products by employing rigorous quality control methods and working closely with suppliers to guarantee compliance with ethical standards. This leads to increased consumer satisfaction and loyalty. Number 5. Enhanced agility. A well-managed global supply chain may help organizations respond rapidly to market changes, adapt to altering demand patterns, and reduce risks associated with political and economic insecurity. While global supply chain management has shown benefits for corporate success, firms are likely to confront a number of obstacles while managing globalization. Handling the complexities of managing a global supply chain tactfully is critical for long-term corporate growth. Let's look at some of the key issues in global supply chain management and how to overcome them. Global supply chain management, key challenges. Managing a worldwide supply chain may be a complex and difficult endeavor since organizations must overcome several legal, cultural, and logistical obstacles. The following are some of the most typical challenges of managing a global supply chain are: Number 1. Language and cultural barriers. Number 2. Transportation and logistics. Number 3. Political and economic instability. Number 4. Supply chain transparency. Number 5. Demand forecasting. Number 6. Software and data management. Addressing the challenges in worldwide supply chain management while keeping current developments and disruptions in the supply chain sector in mind will provide organizations a competitive advantage and help them establish a sustainable global presence. According to a KPMG assessment, governments will be apprehensive about cross-border economic cooperation in the coming days owing to geopolitical tensions. There will be an increase in cybercrime, and access to crucial industrial inputs will be constrained. These tendencies will continue to wreak havoc on global supply chain management. Strategies for overcoming challenges in global supply chain management. To overcome these challenges, businesses can adopt various strategies, such as: Strategy number 1. Strong connections with suppliers and partners may assist organizations in overcoming linguistic and cultural obstacles and creating a feeling of trust and collaboration. Strategy number 2. Businesses may increase their logistics and supply chain visibility by leveraging technology such as digital platforms, analytics, and automation. Strategy number 3. diversifying suppliers across regions and nations can assist firms in mitigating the risks associated with political and economic insecurity. Strategy number 4. Transparency and ethical sourcing may help firms create confidence with consumers and suppliers while lowering the risk of reputational damage. 7 reasons why the supply chain matters to business success. Your company's or product's supply chain is critical to its health and success. Businesses that overlook the supply chain component when scaling pay a high price. While most businesses wonder how supply chain affects business growth, individuals who have studied supply chain management in Calicut would know these 7 reasons why, which are: Number 1. Strategy. Half of your company operation duties will be taken care of if you have a solid supply chain strategy. The plan should be intended to complement the company's overall growth strategy. Number 2. Network design. Outbound distribution from the plant or warehouse is dealt with through network design. This component is crucial to the success of your organization, and you must monitor even the smallest of changes and fix them. Number 3. Quality of service. Any business's principal focus is on its customers. A company's profitable growth is determined by how good its customer service is. Customer happiness is strongly dependent on the supply chain's quality. Number 4. Supplier performance. A significant portion of your success is dependent on the performance of your supplier. A seamless supply chain improves the efficiency of your engagement with your provider. Number 5. Costs. This is the area in which the supply chain's position in a firm is solidified. The supply chain provides a clear picture of where profit and loss occur, which in turn advises you where to spend and where not to spend. Number 6. Managing the inventory. An inventory is required if your goods must be kept or moved. All of the benefits of keeping an inventory are enhanced by the supply chain. Number 7. Corporate social responsibility. Corporate social obligations and business ethics are 2 issues that might hamper your corporation. Plastic packaging may be a socially irresponsible supply chain element. Having a professional look at such concerns would be really beneficial. Final thoughts. Our main goal as an entrepreneur or business owner is to promote business expansion and achieve success in a fiercely competitive market. Creating a clear plan that can overcome obstacles, maximize efficiency, and boost production is essential to achieving that. You may create the conditions for sustained growth with the strategy and a well-defined plan. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.